Welcome everybody. My name is Bernhard Rümpfel. I'm an application engineer and trainer at Softing Automotive. Today I would like to talk about the major tasks in after sales, the concept of a digital data platform and our product, Softing TDX. First, what are the major tasks in after sales? It must be possible to carry out worldwide repair actions. Worldwide maintenance must be included as well, and the latest software updates must be available in all repair shops. But there are some challenges. Nowadays we deal with highly complex vehicle architectures. There are more than 100 electronic control units inside a vehicle, and consequently we can have longer repair times. 1 or 2 additional days at the repair shop have a strong impact on the customer. And furthermore, additional costs can arise. For example, when an ECU is exchanged unnecessarily. Altogether, this leads to less customer satisfaction. The question is, how can we overcome these obstacles? One possible solution is the digital data platform in after sales. Such a platform must be easy to use, so we need an intuitive operation. Furthermore, a seamless integration into the existing IT infrastructure must be possible. It makes no sense to tell the customer to forget about all previous solutions and to buy a new one. And the repair shops, car manufacturers and dealers, they need all-time access to their individual information, which can be handled by an access rights management system. Now, what is the content of such a platform? We can have the current vehicle state, including diagnostic trouble code entries or live sensor values. Additionally, we can have a listing of all software updates, and above all, the entire vehicle history. Of course, we benefit from such a platform. The repair shops can look for similar repair actions in the past, and the development can use the entire vehicle history to draw conclusions for future model ranges. Now, let's focus on our product, Softing TDX, which is the realization of a digital data platform. Softing TDX allows to collect data from the field and to roll out data to the repair shops. Softing TDX can be seen as a universal toolbox, including 3 components. First, Softing TDX server, which allows to manage the IT integration, the user roles, and the rollout of the latest tester version. The second component is called Softing TDX.studio, which allows to design diagnostic functions, repair procedures, and the user interface. The third component is called Softing TDX Workshop, which covers the major tasks in after sales, like repair actions, maintenance, and software updates. Softing TDX processes and acquires data from several thousand repair shops. Here we see the TDX infrastructure for a worldwide operation. The cloud represents the OEM infrastructure, and on that cloud we install Softing TDX server, which has a connection to all TDX workshops around the globe. Now, let's have a look into a TDX workshop application. Here we see the Softing TDX workshop demo. Please be aware that the user interface of TDX Workshop can be designed by the customer all alone, with the help of templates, or with assistance from Softing Automotive. Let's navigate to the trucks and do some diagnostics. TDX Workshop gives us direct access to the vehicle and ECU information. In the next step, we are going to read out the diagnostic trouble codes. As a result, we get the active diagnostic trouble codes and the corresponding environment data. A report can be generated by just one click and will be stored automatically on TDX server. The report includes a list of active, inactive, and supported diagnostic trouble codes. It is possible to show and hide detailed information. The menu in the upper right corner gives us access to further key features of TDX Workshop. One example is the feedback mechanism. Via an electronic form, the repair shops can contact the OEM, make suggestions, and ask for additional rights. Another key feature is remote support. A remote engineer can support the mechanic on site, which requires a secure one-to-one connection to the tester. The remote engineer takes over control of TDX Workshop and not the complete PC or laptop. The update feature allows to start updates manually if necessary. Now, let me demonstrate the feedback mechanism in detail. In this scenario, the repair shop requests additional rights for variant coding since they have new colleagues. It is possible to define the severity of the request. Now, let's check for available updates. Here we can download the latest version of TDX Workshop. Installing the update will also cause a restart. Now, let's summarize our findings. We talked about the major tasks in after sales, including repair actions, maintenance, and software updates. The solution to handle these tasks is our product Softing TDX, which is based on the concept of a digital data platform in after sales. Softing TDX includes 3 components. We design with TDX.studio, we manage with TDX Server, and we work with TDX Workshop. Softing TDX supports the following key features: feedback mechanism, TDX Workshop updates, and remote assistance. If you are interested, check out our website, leave a comment below, or contact me directly. My name is Bernhard Rümpfel, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video.